Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am showing a soft mouth melting Mysore Pak. If you want to see how to get this texture and softness in the Mysore Pak, then keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also click that bell button to get more updates when I post new videos. So let's get started. First I am taking a sieve, and for this I'll be adding 1 cup of besan. For this I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Adding milk powder and rice flour for the besan in a Mysore Pak makes it very soft and also will get a nice texture. Next we will take 1.5 cup of ghee. Use the same measuring cup. You can use oil and ghee, and but I am using only ghee. Just melt this. Next we will add around half a cup of melted ghee to our besan mixture, and we will mix the besan. Make sure there is no lumps, and we will get a soft texture of besan mixture. As you can see, I have added around half a cup of ghee here, and remaining 1 cup of ghee I will be adding while we are preparing the Mysore Pak. You can see I have saved 1 cup of melted ghee. Next, we using the same measuring cup, I have taken 1 cup of sugar. For this I'll be adding half a cup of water, and we will make the sugar syrup. We need to dissolve the sugar, and we need to get a very sticky consistency. As you can see it is a very sticky but not a single thread syrup. If you make the syrup more stickier, the Mysore Pak will become very hard. So just make it sticky and add our besan mixture to this and give it a very good mix. You can see we don't have any small lumps in our Mysore Pak now. Add our melted ghee in 4 portions. As you can see, I have added first portion of melted ghee, and I am giving a very good mix. Once the ghee is absorbed, add the second portion. Like this, add 4 times until the besan absorbs all the ghee, and it will release the ghee back, and the mixture comes together leaving the pan. That is the consistency we are looking for. So you can see, add a ghee, mix together. Once the ghee is absorbed, add the next batch of ghee to the mixture and keep stirring. As you can see, now the mixture is coming together. Now I'll be adding the final portions of ghee to this. Once you add the final portion, you can see it's coming together leaving the pan in the sides, and all the ghee what we have added is released. You can see nicely the ghee has released. This is the perfect consistency. At this stage, transfer it to a greased plate or a tin. You can see nicely it has come down without sticking to the pan. Leave this onto the tray for another 5-10 minutes. It will be very hot. After 10 minutes we can mark to cut the pieces. So it's been 10 minutes now. It is little cold. At this stage I'll be just marking it so that it will be easy to take out the pieces once it is completely cooled down. Just mark and leave it for half an hour to 1 hour till it is completely cooled down. Don't remove from the plate. When it is hot, it will end up breaking because it is very soft. So let's it set for half an hour. So it's been half an hour now. Just give it a tap, and our Mysore Pak pieces will come out very nicely. You can see it's a very soft, very tasty, and it is coming out nice pieces. Hope you have enjoyed my video. If so, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and also share this video with your friends and families, and also comment below what type of video you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.